Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Zoe Graziella and today I'm going to be following Bella Hadid's Jet Lag Beauty Survival Guide from Vogue. So I've done another one of these Vogue makeup videos. I did Olivia Wilde's like everyday makeup routine, so I'll put that somewhere on the screen above so that you can watch that if you want. This is my second episode, so I'm just gonna get started and follow her routine. And I just put my hair up like this so I looked more like her.
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my makeup routine. I look really tired because I've been traveling for 2 months straight, but it's okay because you know why? Foundation and concealer.
So she's kind of putting it everywhere. So I have two concealers here. I have my Age Rewind, my Maybelline Age Rewind that I put under my eyes normally. And then I also have this Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable concealer that's like practically empty. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get anything out of it. Put this mainly on my face, and I'm just gonna put this on my under eyes. I think she used the same one everywhere on her face, but my under eye one is just way too light for the rest of my face. I can kind of get away with using this really light concealer during the winter all over my face. You know, maybe we'll try and just get away with it, putting it there and there. So I'm just gonna blend that out and then add the darker one if I can get anything out of it. Otherwise, I'm gonna look super pale today. I'm just trying really hard to get anything out of it and I just can't. Like, nothing is coming out. Like, I've squeezed it and I've rolled it. So I guess I'm just gonna be a pale girl today. Okay, let's continue.
Next up is this. It's a little bronzer pen.
Yes,
so
okay.
I'm gonna put some right here.
Perfect, we're contouring now so I can, no. This didn't happen to Bella. Ooh, did I put like way too much. Whatever. I'm just gonna blend that out.
I like to put some right here for a little definition.
Little definition. I actually like to do the same thing, so I guess Bella and I are like the same person. Okay, so now she's just taking a brush and kind of just like blending it out further. Like, it doesn't seem like she put powder on it, so I don't really know, but yeah, I'm just gonna do that for some reason. Highlighter. She put the cheekbones and then her under eye, which sometimes I do, but definitely not as much as she did. And then she also used like a brush that was like this size, so I guess I'm just going to use this brush to do it. And then my under eye, I definitely don't do it like this when I do it with my under eye. I kind of just put it like right under, but this is new and interesting and different. We love experimenting with makeup.
Next up is a little brow because I have tiny brows.
I didn't realize that her brows were tiny. They actually seem like pretty substantial and like normal, but you know, having insanely full brows, I cannot use words. Brows are like what's in now with eyebrows. So I'm just gonna slightly fill mine in. I already think mine always look too filled in when I fill them in, so I'm just gonna lightly do it. My eyebrows probably look so insanely full right now. Let's see. Oh, okay, they don't look too bad actually.
Some primer.
I don't have a mascara like eye primer like she does, so I'm just gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown Ooh, that made an awful sound. I hate this about this mascara. Like, it always, the top always breaks and it makes it difficult to take the mascara out. The same thing happened with my mom's mascara, so it's super annoying. But I'm just gonna do my mascara.
I love like a little gold here.
Wait, didn't we already put
Open your eyes.
eyeshadow on our eyes? Oh no, we put highlighter. I don't have like a gold highlight, like a gold eyeshadow on me, so I'm just gonna use the same highlighter and just put this on my eye. And then she did it in the inner corner. This makeup like makes me feel good about myself, so I like it because I normally don't feel great about myself. So I don't know, I'm just like really loving this. Okay, I'm gonna continue doing what she's doing. All right, lip gloss, and I think that is the final step. So I'm just gonna take my Fenty lip gloss. And what is she doing now? Buns. I'm gonna do the same
I
thing.
really need a hair tie, it turns out to be a bun. Tutorial by me. Gotta go.
Okay, I'm sorry about the noise. They're doing like, you know, when like the air blowers that like blow the leaves away. I don't know what those things are called, but that's what's happening outside. So if you hear that, that's what that is. Anyway, I really love this makeup look. Like, it was so simple and it's just so pretty, and it just, doing it like made me feel pretty. I don't know, maybe watching someone like so gorgeous doing it just made me feel like if I do that, I'll look like her. Like, obviously I don't look like Bella Hadid, but I don't know, just doing it made me feel pretty. And I think all the highlighter just like, and like, I just think highlighter makes you feel pretty and glowy, and like that's what this look makes me feel like. I feel glowy and like, ooh, you are seeing my little curl. Yeah, I just feel like all this highlighter on my face like makes me feel pretty and glowy, and I really love it. And okay, I'm actually going to be wearing this face all day. Well, not all day. What time is it? It's 5:42 now, so for the rest of the day, I'm gonna be wearing this. I'm gonna go out for a walk, film an intro for another video, but I really love this makeup so much. I actually think I'm gonna do something like this, just like to wear because for like other days, because I like it. It's so pretty, and it didn't take that long, you know, most of it was me talking. So yeah, I really like it. I think Bella Hadid's makeup is gorgeous. She's beautiful, and just doing it made me feel pretty and made me feel good about myself. So thank you for watching, and lots of love. Bye!